Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove an Instagram account from your account list. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. At the bottom right, tap on your profile icon. Then, in the top right corner, tap the three horizontal lines. From the menu, tap the Settings and Privacy. Under your account, tap on the Account Center. In Account Center, tap the password and security, and then tap on Save Login Info. Toggle the switch next to the Save Login information. This ensures that even if you log out, you can easily log back in your account. Go back to the Settings and Privacy, then scroll down and tap Log Out. Tap Log Out again to confirm. On the Instagram welcome page, tap the three dots at the top right. From the pop-up menu, select the Remove Profiles from this device. Find the profile you want to remove and tap Remove next to the account name. Confirm by tapping Remove again. And that's it. Your Instagram account has now been removed from your device account list. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching!